Hey everybody, welcome to Arbitrage Family. I'm Gordon. I've been buying and selling things for the past couple of years, mostly due to couponing. Now today we're going to talk about stacking deals on laundry soap, but the principles can be applied to just about any couponing, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back. For the past couple of weeks, Kills Coupons and I have been bringing you guys some of the best deals that we can think of at Dollar General. And this week we did something different. We decided to bring you a deal that involved stacking so that you could understand the principles of stacking a little better. First of all, I think we need to understand what stacking is and is not. Stacking is not trying to use two manufacturer's coupons on one item. You're not allowed to do that. What stacking really is combining manufacturer's coupons with using deals from either the store or coupon apps. Today's example from Kills Coupon is a laundry deal, but the principles can be applied to any deal that you decide to do in the future. Today's deal is a gain deal. And what we're doing is using two paper coupons that you can print from the P&G website, as well as a digital coupon. All three of those are manufacturers, and then we're combining that with Dollar General's Saturday 5 off of 25 and also Dollar General's 5 off of 30 gain deal. And we're actually going to buy 4 different gain items. And so when you buy 4 items, you could use up to 4 manufacturers' coupons. Whether or not they're paper or digital, it doesn't matter. They're all manufacturers' coupons. Now the stacking part comes in when you use those manufacturer's coupons that I just talked about in conjunction with Dollar General's store coupons. Now Dollar General does their 5 off of 25 most Saturdays, but then they also typically give you a gain coupon as well, which this week is if you spend $30, you get another $5 off. What's really cool about this deal is that Dollar General is offering another opportunity to stack an offer, which is if you spend $15 on P&G products after coupons, then they give you a $5 off coupon to use on your next purchase of $5.01 or more. So let's recap a little bit, because in order to make this stack work, there's a lot of moving parts. So we're going to use 2 paper manufacturer's coupons as well as a digital manufacturer's coupon in conjunction with Dollar General's Saturday 5 off of 25 as well as the 5 off of 30 gain, and then the deal that they're offering, if you spend $15 you get $5 off your next purchase. So why don't you join me in the store, and then after I pay I'll come back and we'll recap a little bit. Alright, Kills Coupons deal here has us buying 1 of the big flings, 2 of the $6.95 bottles, and 1 of the $3.95 bottles. Now, here's the thing. The digital for the $1 off is only attaching to the freshwater sparkle liquid. It's not attaching to the other scent. So you got to make sure that you always scan everything so that you know exactly what it is that is going to come off. Because if you were to buy any of the other scents, you wouldn't get your $1 off. For the $2 and the $3 coupons, you can print these off online from the P&G website. And get the freshwater sparkle, 2 of these, 2 $6.95 ones. This is the one that's attaching to the $1 off. So you want to make sure that you get this scent only. We'll get the original scent for the flings. Okay, let's go check out. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing all right. Got some paper coupons and some digital ones. All right, so we just got done with the Dollar General, and looking at the receipt here, you can see that we bought the different gains. We bought the larger one for the $6.95, and then the store discount, and then the manufacturer's coupon, and then another one for the $6.95, the store discount, the gain flings for $13.50, the store discounts with the manufacturer's coupon. And then we got the Gain, the littler one, for $3.95, store discount. And here's that digital coupon for $1. It's hard to see because their printer wasn't doing well. And then it came to $16, well, $15.35, exactly how Kills Coupon says it would come out to be. And then total savings of $16. And if we look here, here is that $5 off your next purchase of 501 or more. So it printed off just like it should have. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already became a member of the Arbitrage family, please consider subscribing. Like this video if it helped you out, and leave a comment if you have any questions.